Hey guys, good morning. It's Robert Jagger, Summit RV. I know we looked at some Sandpipers on Saturday. I want to let you know that we did have some more come in over the weekend. This is one of the Sandpipers that was not available to look at Saturday. I just wanted to send you a quick video on it. I think it has a lot of features that you all were looking for. Quickly, give you a front view here on the Sandpiper. This one has it's a rear living area, and just want to show you the storage. Of course, you know they're known for this humongous storage area. Very helpful outdoor marine grade speakers. And this is the fiberglass aluminum frame. This has the solid step that goes with it. And the model number is a 367DSOK, and really nice. Let me go around this side here. Show you, we do have a grill already on it. You can pull it around. Gas grill you can hook up. It has the ladder. It has a full walkable roof. It is prepped up there. You can see up there by the sun. It has the backup camera. It's prepped. It's just a option. They want to go ahead and pre-wire for all that. We'll show you this outdoor kitchen here. Really large outdoor kitchen. We even have two more speakers. The larger refrigerator, very nice, hanging outside. I like how you have these large tops that gives you a place to, and it's high up here. It's probably almost 7 feet off the ground. So it gives you a place to sit here. You can set a TV on your counter, watch TV if you like, or put a blender, whatever you want to do. Have an outdoor sink with the real drain. Nice storage up top. Just a really great kitchen out here. And then this, again, this top, it's up high, and it also gives you some shelter from the sun, and if it's sprinkling, and you still might want to be outside cooking. I always do. I'll grill even if it's snowing. At home, of course. You have the large awning up there. I don't know if you had a chance to view that on the video. It's all power. And coming inside, you can see the buffet here. Gives you some more counter space. Lots of storage up top. We have the residential refrigerator, pull-out freezer, two sections of that. Just a ton of space. This is a really deep refrigerator too, and that's nice. Pack enough food in there to last you a week and keep from having to go into the grocery. You even have a spot you can put some wine bottles in there, which will be nice. You take that glass of wine and sit by your fireplace over here. And again, you can turn it on, look at the flames without the heat, or if it is cool, it is an electric heater also. We have the table, the individual chairs. These do have storage underneath, and this does have storage underneath here as well. Plus, you can extend this table out if you wanted to give it a larger eating area. You have the island. We have the two large sink bowls, a smaller one on this side, oversized on this side. It's really nice too. They use a chef style water thing here. You can see it's flexible, it goes around everywhere. You can get all your dishes, get everything clean. Have storage underneath the buffet, storage around the stove. Large one there. Yes, you do have the oven. You have the glass top that gives you a flat surface so that you can use that for counter space when you're not using it, or you have a 3-burner top. And you have a large LG microwave. Gives you plenty of space in there to cook. I know some of these microwaves get kind of small. That's a pretty large microwave. Deep pantry here. Canned goods, chips, snacks, those kind of things. Then we have the two recliners here. These are power. You have a heated massage. There's a light that goes around here, accent lights on the bottom. Cup holders on both sides, plus a storage spot for remotes and what have you. You have a couch on the end that does fold out to make a bed. Storage above that couch, and above this recliner, you also have storage up there. Really nice. You can have some sconce for accents here on each side of the couch. You can have a countertop, a solid top, just like the kitchen is, around the TV to put things. storage above, nice size TV to enjoy, and you even have a sound bar. Has a place for DVDs, Bluetooth, your phone, play music, what have you. So, and that's really nice too. That kind of matches the wine rack over the refrigerator. Nice design on the residential lights over the island. Give you a quick view here. Of course, we do have, you know, AC duct through the ceiling, LED lights inside and out. LED lights are super nice. They're really bright. They last a long time, and you won't have to switch light bulbs near as often. Nice vent here in the back. And then, of course, you do have a ceiling fan because the ceilings are high in here. And to show you, this starts out $72,852.10, and find out what we can get on their sale. Like I said, it just came in, and we would get you a special price on that if you guys are really interested. Nice power fan up here over the cooking area. Get the smells out, excess heat from cooking. They have a storage door here. Central vacs in the closet. You have a place to hang coats, put umbrellas, those type of things. And Sandpiper, they're known for their solid steps here. Keeps everything cleaner. Doesn't get us worn. The bathroom in this is pretty impressive. It's oversized. We have 2 sinks in the bathroom, a large mirror, plenty of storage down below, a taller toilet, and a nice shower. There's that spot you can sit down on or have a place to shave your legs. And they got smart enough to put shelves to put things like soap and shampoos, wash rags. And you even have an adjustable shower head here. You can move this up or down. You can take this off and use it. Just gives you a lot more options, and a nice skylight in there. Plus you have another pantry here you can use for linens, towels, wash rags, what have you. Or even like a medicine cabinet. The other feature I knew you guys were looking for was a king-size bed, which we have. And it's on its own slide out there. I have a spot for a TV here, a dresser for more clothes. We have a large closet in the master bedroom here, and this is prepped for the washer dryer if you wanted to add that. Place for hanging clothes. And let's see if I can get the light to come in on this other side to show you other shelves for clothes or shoes, shirts, things like that you might fold up. Swimming trunks. This does have 2 air conditioning units, one in the bedroom. Hooray! That's when you gotta have that air conditioner when you're sleeping. And they have 1 air conditioner here in this end to cool this area down. So this was helpful to you guys. I do have others coming in. If you'd like, you can give me a call. My number's here at the top. I have links at the bottom to the other inventory, and even credit apps in the finance department if you wanted to go ahead and get the pre-approval process started. But give me a call if you have any questions. We do have many more. I don't think that this one is online yet. I do have some others that we should be on this week. Or if you'd like, give me a call and I'll send you a video on something else we have. But anyway, I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.